In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set vacation dates or out-of-office settings in Google Calendar. Planning a vacation and ensuring your colleagues know you're unavailable is essential for a smooth workflow. By setting yourself as out of office on Google Calendar, you keep everyone informed and reduce the chances of unexpected disturbances during your break. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Google Calendar by typing calendar.google.com into the address bar. Google Chrome is the preferred browser here, but you can use any that you're comfortable with. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in with your Google account. Make sure it's the account you use for work or where the meetings you'll be attending are scheduled. Once you're logged in and on the calendar homepage, look for the day when your vacation begins. Click on that date to bring up the event creation pop-up. This window is your command center for scheduling anything from simple reminders to detailed appointments. For our purpose today, focus on the top of this window. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu that defaults to Event. Click on this menu and select Out of Office. This choice is crucial because it indicates to your calendar and to colleagues sending invites that you won't be around to attend meetings. Next, let's set the dates and times for your vacation. You'll want to identify both the start and end dates accurately. For instance, if you're planning a getaway from September 10th, 2025 to September 20th, 2025, make sure those are entered correctly. This ensures your out-of-office status reflects your exact period of unavailability. The next step involves handling meeting invitations during your vacation. Google Calendar provides you with options under Automatically Decline Meetings. This is an excellent feature that saves you from manually reviewing invitations while basking in your well-deserved time off. You can choose to decline only new meeting invites that you receive during your break, or you can opt to decline all new and existing meetings within that time frame. Select the option that best suits your needs. Remember that declining existing meetings might require follow-ups before your vacation. Once you've made your decision, there's one final crucial step: saving your changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the window and click it to confirm. This action not only finalizes your out-of-office status on Google Calendar, but also ensures that your calendar appears as unavailable to those who try to schedule meetings with you during that period. And there you have it. Your calendar is now set to show you as out of office for the duration of your vacation. This small but mighty task means you can enjoy your downtime without worrying about meeting alerts or notifications. Now, all that's left is to relax and recharge. Enjoy your vacation, knowing everything's taken care of on the digital front.